इस व्लॉग में ज्ञान नहीं दे पाऊंगा मैं, बिकॉज मैं इंजॉय करने आया हूँ यहाँ पे अभी। The view from the road, bright sunny morning. बाहर से दिखाते हैं। There you go. What a lovely view, what a lovely view. ऐसा रोज़ देखने को मिल जाए, जो कि बॉम्बे में हो सकता है और चेन्नई में हो सकता है। तो गाइज आज है घूमने का दिन। Today is where we'll be hanging out. I'll be hanging out. And yeah, we'll be going to places, the beaches or a fort or something like that, and mostly have a lot of work to do. Have onboarded a lot of clients. I have a lot of clients to work with right now. बहुत काम है, इसलिए यहाँ पे आना भी बहुत appropriate है, because शांति में बहुत काम हो सकता है यहाँ पे. And let's talk more as we go around with our day. Hey guys, heading out to the city. Look at this view. Amazing, simply amazing. And look at the wind. I mean, I'm sure you can't feel that, you can't even experience it, but it's just amazing. So a few of the places where I'm planning to go is a temple, a beach, there is a fort, lovely places out there, and a very good experience, a very good place for you to come if you want to rejuvenate, you want to feel fresh again, so that you can get back to your work. For me, my entire schedule is very packed. My entire schedule is packed with a lot of freelancer work, then work on my own startup and everything, and therefore these breaks become very important for me to take some time off. And even when I'm off, I work hard so that I can think in a new way, and I can have all of my new ideas. So lovely. So there was my hotel, and I just walking up to this place. It's a huge beach line, coastline over there. So the water is a very high tide over there right now, and beautiful, just amazing. So guys, ये एक पुराना चर्च है यहाँ पे. I was just walking towards the bus stop to take a scooty. It's an old church over here, beautiful steps, but unfortunately no trespassing is allowed. So yeah. Some school assembly happening over here. That seems like a church or a school place. This, my dear friends, is IIM Graduate. This is a museum type of place. Yeah, well actually it is a museum. It's not a museum type of a place, it is a museum. That you can see over there is where I'm staying. That's my hotel, and this is all the way the IMS. Work from home, work from anywhere place that I don't know what it is. What a wonderful place. I think this vlog will be me repeating this word only. What a great place, great place, great place, because this is such a beautiful place. This entire vlog will be about me saying what a great place, wonderful place, wonderful place, because this is such a beautiful place. I'm on a bike with my friend. I'm on a scooty with my friend right now, enjoying this place. View. Okay, guys, with a very interesting scooty trip. We are at the Goghola seafront. I'll just show you in a moment. This is what you call a spot for a great workation. Sit here with your laptop, work your ass off and enjoy your life. इस व्लॉग में ज्ञान नहीं दे पाऊंगा मैं बिकॉज मैं इंजॉय करने आया हूँ यहाँ पे अभी. I have a lot of client work also, so probably in this vlog you'll only observe me roaming around this beautiful beach and working on my laptop. So if you see right there, that's the fisherman boat. Fishing is a very big occupation here and all of these are boats. This is the St. Paul Church. This looks like a Portuguese construction because this was a view was likely a Portuguese college. These, my dear friends, is the View Fort. So for all the MBA students, you would notice that पहले fort के around they used to make this is called a moat, M-O-A-T, so that somebody cannot just go inside it. They have to cross this, and usually it used to have a lot of crocodiles and all of those animals in it. So this is one fine example of a view, and that is why all of the MBA students, all of the organizations are always advised that you should create a moat like this so that your fort, your work is unapproachable and no competitor can ever copy it and go ahead. So I'll just give you a bit of history about this fort. This fort was jointly built by the Portuguese in India, Bahadur Shah, and also the Sultan of Gujarat in the 16th century. This was made in order to defend this territory from Humayun, who was a Mughal emperor. So yeah, this is the history of the place. Another lovely beach called Goa Beach. Welcome to Gangeshwar Temple. So the final destination of the day is Gangeshwar Mandir in View. This is what it is, and that's just something, but this is amazing again.